This winter has been extreme one, weather-wise, and just when you thought the freezing cold and record snow was over, it's back. Call it Polar Vortex Part 2, sort of. A fresh wave of Arctic winds are causing chilly temperatures from the East Coast to the Midwest, with freezing cold temperatures and lots of snow. In places like Wisconsin, New York, and Chicago, it's so cold in some of these places, like 50 below zero near the Canadian border, that even a snowman would need a coat.
Cold.
The governors of Delaware, New Jersey, and New York have declared states of emergency as the extreme cold and snow have caused all kinds of problems. 1,500 flights were canceled and thousands delayed, and getting around is, well, a chilling experience.
Wow. I'm so cold that I'm shivering.
And while that area of the country freezes, the West Coast is experiencing record high temperatures, with Los Angeles in the 80s. And while that may sound like a good thing, it's actually very bad, as California is experiencing its worst drought or lack of rainfall in years. Instead of fresh rain bringing water to thirsty plants, grass, trees, and crops, the hot air is drying them all up. And when you combine dry vegetation with hot air and wind, you make it real easy for brush fires to start. Just ask any California firefighter. There's been around 150 fires so far this year, 6 times more than the usual 25. And while California desperately needs water, the extreme weather is causing extreme waves, up to 50 feet tall in Hawaii. And while these waves, which they're calling the swell of the decade, look amazing and seem like some super surfer could ride them, don't even think about it. These waves are extremely dangerous and life-threatening.